with the smaller mosaic kits, showing here where you're cutting the unfired ceramic tesserae down into 5mm pieces for it. Normally you would say use something like tile nippers for that to get a good cut, because although you can cut these with scissors, you get a much cleaner cut with something like these. But if you're just doing 1 or 2 kits, you don't need the extra expense of a set like these. What you can also get now are these, which are called end pincers, and although they're obviously much smaller in size, they have a 12mm width blade, which is big enough, long enough rather, for cutting these tesserae. Now if you're cutting them, you don't actually need to put the whole of the tesserae, the whole of the tile, between the blades. You can just go half or even less than that, because the more of the tesserae you have between the blades, the more you have to put pressure on it to actually cut it. So the less of the tesserae between the blades, the less force you have to use. So just there, that's about 1/3 of the way, and as you can see, that cuts quite cleanly, and even down to the 5mm there, that cuts nice. So you don't need all of the tesserae between the blades, just enough there. And even if you're doing something like a triangle cut with these, when they're down to that size, it doesn't matter so much, so you can cut, and they're much cleaner cut than if you were using something like the scissors, but much smaller and not as expensive as the ordinary tile nippers.